Canva versus Photoshop versus Figma. Which should you learn? Canva, Photoshop, or Figma? 3 powerful design tools. 3 different purposes. But if you're a beginner, choosing the wrong one can waste months of your time. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you what each tool is best for, who should learn it, and which one gives the biggest career opportunities in 2026. Let's get started. Introduction. Before comparing them, here's something important. These tools are not direct competitors. Canva is designed for quick content creation. Photoshop is built for professional image editing and graphic design. Figma focuses on UI/UX design, websites, and mobile app interfaces. So the best tool depends on your goals. Section 1. Canva. Let's start with Canva. Canva is the easiest tool to learn. You can create social media posts, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, resumes, flyers, and marketing materials in minutes. The drag-and-drop interface makes it perfect for beginners. Section 2. Photoshop. Now let's talk about Photoshop. Photoshop has been the industry standard for image editing for decades. From photo retouching to digital art, advertising designs, and professional graphics, Photoshop can do almost anything. Section 3. Figma. Next is Figma. Figma has become the favorite tool for UI and UX designers worldwide. It's used to design websites, mobile apps, dashboards, and digital products. Unlike Photoshop, Figma focuses on user experience and interface design. Comparison. Here's a simple breakdown. Want to create social media content quickly? Choose Canva. Want to become a graphic designer or photo editor? Choose Photoshop. Want a career in UI, UX, and tech design? Choose Figma. Most professionals actually use more than one of these tools depending on the project. Final recommendation. If you're a complete beginner, start with Canva. If you're serious about graphic design, move to Photoshop. And if you're interested in websites, apps, and high-paying tech careers, learn Figma. The good news? Learning one design tool makes learning the others much easier. So don't spend months deciding. Pick the one that matches your goals and start creating today. Which tool are you learning right now? Canva, Photoshop, or Figma? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more design and creative career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.